Town's pissed.
What happens if we don't show?
Longer you're in the wind, more time it adds. 180 days before your bail is forfeited.
When's the hearing?
Friday. Need a heads up either way? Sorry, fellas. This spun my head, too.
Best intel puts Cameron and Abel in Vancouver. That's where I'm going. Do this last run for the Irish. I'm gonna pick up my mom, get some new ID, head north. Gets Jem out of Dodge. I'll hook up with Serge's tracker, find my kid.
He ain't going alone.
Look, we don't know how these San Juan charges are gonna land. Lowen said most of the people in that hall won't testify. Might end up just being the federal gun charges, but if we all skip, we look guilty. Don't use that against us. I can't ask you guys to take that hit.
But I can. Who's up for a Canadian adventure?
Oh, I.
You lose, E.
You're all very unbalanced individuals.
Hey.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
You take Gemma with you, you're gonna have to tell her about the kid.
I know.
We'll do that together.
Thanks. It's not at the church.
I went up and down every street, checked the mini mart, the gas station. There's no sign of him.
I tried calling a few of his friends, there's nothing.
Can't believe I just let him drive away. Jesus, how could I do that? Stupid bitch.
You have her tied up in a basement. You can't expect her to be cooperative.
Not talking about her.